Oh man. Did you sleep good, babe?
No.
No.
And then when I'm trying to sleep, you were in your snore just right on my ear.
I did not, did I?
You did.
Oh man.
He's so angry. His snore is so angry.
Really? I was tired.
Tired.
We got up so early. I didn't get much sleep the night before. So, anyways, we're here in Bohol River Resort, having our coffee, sitting here looking out on the river. You can't see it, but we can. But I'll show it to you here in a minute.
It's very nice.
As soon as we get up here, I'll twist the camera around. You can see the view out here. It's really beautiful. We came in here yesterday around what? 3 o'clock?
Yeah, we reached here around 3 o'clock from the airport.
Yeah. Yeah, we got it. Well, we got in the airport. We flew in right around 1:30, something like that, to Tagbilaran International Airport here in Bohol. And
Panglao Airport.
Panglao Airport?
Yeah, Panglao Airport.
All right. Yeah. So, word of caution: if you ever come out here, those of you that are in the Philippines, if you ever come out here, you fly into
Loboc Island, Panglao Island.
It's Tagbilaran Airport, Panglao Island. But if you ever fly in, if you ever come here, be careful with the transportation, the taxi service, if you want to call it that. The what do you call it? The
Tourist transport.
Tourist transport service that's outside the airport. And transportation is very limited when you get here. It's not like there's taxis lined up outside waiting to take you where you want to go. No, there's vultures outside waiting to take you where you want to go. And the best we could get, the only thing we could get was
is to call the hotel. 3 hours.
Oh, no. Out there at the airport. Well, the only transportation we could get when we got here was what they had. You know, is one company that seems to have the monopoly on transportation at the airport.
The airport.
They were the only ones. There's no buses. There's no taxis. Nothing. Just one company. And as far as I could tell, and they were ringing us dry. I mean, 1,800 pesos to get from the airport up here, and they said, well, the reason why is because it takes an hour and a half, and there's lots of traffic, and they gave us all kinds of bullshit excuses.
And then they drove very slow just to make the trip longer, to fill in that 1 hour and 45 minutes.
Yeah. So bottom line, it took less than an hour to get here, and the traffic was pretty good actually. I mean,
no traffic.
No traffic. We just breezed right over here. They said it was going to take an hour and a half, and it didn't. It took way less than that. And well, that's our rant for the morning. So we got that out of the way. We're here. It was worth it. I get it. The transportation was bullshit, but we got here, and it's nice. It's beautiful, actually. So we're here for the next week. What do you say?
We stay here until Wednesday.
Next Thursday?
Next Thursday.
Oh, we'll check out next Thursday.
Because we decided just to stay here. No need to go to Panglao.
They upgraded.
Because they upgraded our room from native. What is that? Native.
It's a native. Yeah, it's
something like that, and then they upgraded
native king size bedroom, something like that.
And then since we waited for 2 years, they for our first 3 nights here, they upgraded it for the premier king size bedroom, which is we are here right now. We're spending 3 nights.
Yeah, the first.
It was actually paid 2 years ago with the same price on the native king size, which is 3,200. And then this premier king size room is supposed to be the price right now is 8,600.
Jeez. Yeah, this
Yeah,
room in
This
here,
room is very expensive.
this is an expensive room. We didn't ask for this. They upgraded us
Yeah.
to this because I guess probably because we were so patient with them because well, patient period because the first and second time we were supposed to come up here.
Yeah.
Well, of course it was the pandemic.
Pandemic.
And then
And then the
then
typhoon.
last year a typhoon ripped through here and just leveled this place. I mean, well, not leveled it, but it did a number on Bohol as an island. This whole place was really devastated by the typhoon.
Yeah.
So we were supposed to come during that, probably about right after that typhoon came through here, and then I was very patient and understanding, of course. You know, I mean, a typhoon and all these pretty harsh things happening to this resort. So, anyways,
We thought it's only one night that we're going to stay at the premier king size, right? Because
Yeah.
that is what you told me when we're still in Manila.
originally they were going to upgrade it for only one night,
Right.
but
And then when we arrived here, they said we already upgraded it in premier for your full stay.
yeah,
Ooh.
yeah.
It's nice.
I mean, it's very nice. I mean, I'll show you outside here a little bit. The room's kind of a mess. I'm gonna probably do like a room video, you know, later. But the room is huge. It's like a freaking ballroom in there. It's actually almost too big. Too big.
Too big
Water
for
too
us.
big. Yeah, it's almost too big in there, and some people like that. You know, it makes you feel rich, you know, or whatever. But I'm just as fine in a nice, smaller, cozy room. So, but hey, I'll take it. They want to upgrade us for 3 nights in this big ass room. I'll take it. You know, one thing I do like about this spot is this big, huge deck, veranda, whatever you want to call it.
Veranda.
There's a bathtub out here, all kinds of stuff, and we're just, I don't know, a few yards from the river. So it's really, really nice. Apparently last year during the typhoon, this whole area was just underwater. And they had to do a lot of flood repair. So
We're planning.
looks pretty damn good. Oh, and the food! Holy crap! We had food. We had dinner last night here. It was fantastic. I couldn't believe it. I was like, whoa! I mean, yeah,
Yeah,
you might.
since we travel from going to Manila and then here, like when we stay in Hotel 101, I'm in the photo. Don't trust the photos because
What's that?
in the food in Hotel 101, they're at the
Oh,
restaurant
that's a whole
there.
different. Yeah, that's a whole different story.
But the thing is, when we reach here, it's nice.
Yeah. We're way the heck away from the office too. Probably takes about 5 minutes to walk to the office. At least it feels that way. There's 2 swimming pools here.
There's an exclusive swimming pool here for the premier king size bed, king room
Yeah.
clients.
Yeah. Yeah. This room comes with its own swimming pool. That's pretty nuts. We're gonna stay. We're gonna do 6 nights. They gave us this one for 3 nights, as you know, part of an appreciation type thing, whatever you want to call it. Wait, where was I going with this?
Yeah, upgraded.
Yeah, they upgraded us for this one for 3 nights. I lost my train of thought. I gotta drink some more coffee. But
We're going to stay in the native.
yeah, we'll move over to the native one over on the other side after this. But
There's another pool there.
there's another pool. Both the pools are very nice. So I don't know if they actually had a need for the second pool, but heck, why not? I guess they wanted to kind of have one glorified section. What are they doing over there?
Yeah, because
They wanted to have one glorified section of the resort, and this is it right here. I don't know who's shouting over there.
I think they're selling fish.
What is that?
It's a vendor.
Oh, over on the other side of the river.
Mhm.
See, I don't think you can swim in this river, can you?
And then one thing more is you cannot access here if you're not staying in this kind of rooms. because
Oh,
they
yeah.
have a gate that it said that only for the guests around here.
Yeah, this is like a VIP section over here. There's literally a gate that separates this section, a gate and a fence actually, that separates this section from the other section.
Yeah.
So I feel like I'm kind of alienated out here. You know?
We're at the very corner.
We're
far
way on
corner.
the far corner. Yeah, there ain't nobody out here. It's great. You can run around here freaking naked if I wanted to. Ain't nobody gonna see you.
You can.
But yeah, woke up pretty good. The beds, and that's pretty much everywhere you go on these in the Philippines with hotels and resorts and whatever. The beds, to me, always feel so hard. And I woke up, my lower back is like, ugh, and those mattresses are firm. The beds are huge.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, I might sit out here and soak in this tub tonight or tomorrow. Fill it up with some steaming hot water and just. Oh man! All right, so let me give a quick shot of this area here. I straighten out my camera. Show you the outside of this place. It's pretty cool. Here's the tub, obviously. We may or may not use this. We'll see. So, this far left. Yeah, it's really nice out here. Quiet. The rest of this little deck area that goes out towards the front. Our door is like right there. That's the door going into the room. And then of course this is just the little patio doors. Well, finish up on our coffee. Huh? Oh yeah, we gotta go do breakfast. I got that. I have that waiting for us too. Eggs, bacon, and toast. Orange juice, banana. But that's it for now, guys. Thanks for joining us on our little morning coffee time. Start of the day, whatever else you want to call it, here at Loboc River Resort in Bohol, Philippines. All right. Say goodbye, hon.
Bye.
Have a good day, y'all. All right, bye-bye.